Hi, everyone! Want to use your favorite song as an iPhone ringtone? Unfortunately, Apple still doesn't make the process very straightforward. In this video, we will show you 2 ways to create a custom ringtone on iPhone. Let's try iTunes first. From your computer, add your favorite song to the iTunes library. Next, right-click the song you just added. Choose Album Info Options. Then select your preferred start time and stop time as your ringtone. Remember not to go beyond 30 seconds. Make sure the 2 squares are checked. Then select the song and click File, Convert, Create AAC version. When it converts successfully, right-click the new song and select Show in Windows Explorer. Now we need to change the file extension from .m4a to m4r. Click Yes when it pops up. Here is an optional step. You can delete the converted m4a file from the iTunes library. Finally, simply connect your iPhone to iTunes and select Tones. Open the M4R file folder. Drag your created ringtone from the folder to your iPhone. Now you can go to your iPhone settings to set this ringtone. Now let's try a simpler method. We will use Syncios Mobile Manager. Launch Syncios Mobile Manager. Connect your iPhone via a USB cable. Go to the toolbox, and here it has the dedicated Ringtone Maker. You can import any song as a ringtone, whether from your computer or iPhone. Here we select a song from the computer. Now we can listen to the music to customize the start and the end point. Remember, the length should not exceed 30 seconds. And here, we can also choose the tone to fade in or out. When we finish the custom ringtone, we can export the song to a computer or directly to our iPhone. Check our iPhone. We can see that this song has been created as a ringtone without format conversion. That's all. iTunes is still a good free option to make ringtones occasionally. But Syncios Mobile Manager can save a lot of time to customize iPhone ringtones. If you want to simplify the process, try Syncios Mobile Manager now.